Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about Daisy the dog. You might be wondering why Mrs. Carson's making you learn about a dog today. But Daisy the dog is very special because through her silly stories, we learn all kinds of good stuff throughout the school year. This is Daisy as a baby. This is when we first got her. She used to be gray, but as she got older, all her fur turned white. That's what happens with the type of dog that she is. She is a Bedlington Terrier, and now she's about a year old. A couple fun facts about Daisy are that she was born on Christmas, so she's like a special gift to us. Another silly thing about her is that she likes to sleep in funny places. Here she is having a nap on a kitchen chair. Here she is having a rest on the kitchen table. And here she is having a rest in her most favorite spot because here she gets to look out the window. Daisy sure loves to sleep, probably for about 23 hours each day. Daisy the dog also loves holidays because she gets lots of cool presents, like this Easter basket. And one of her favorite things to do is go to the park and play in the water. Sometimes when she's a really good girl, we'll go to Jerry's at Curb Service and get her a mutt burger. Here you can see she's eaten it very quickly, and she's probably wishing she had another one. But that's okay. We'll take her to Brewster's to get some ice cream too. We're going to learn a lot from Daisy this year, but the first thing I want you to learn is that we need to try to make every day fun, just like Daisy is in this picture. Here she's pretending to be a stuffed animal. Can you spot her? I'll give you a minute to look. Here she is, right in the middle. What a silly girl. I hope you enjoyed learning about Daisy today, and here's to a great school year.